We know two things about the stock market. We know that the stock market always goes up in basically a straight line, and we know that money is made based on selling fear. In this video, I'm going to show you how I know that the stock market goes straight up and how you can make money from the stock market. Before we continue, I must give a disclaimer. I am not your financial guy. I'm not a financial guy. Please take all necessary precautions when investing in the stock market. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online step by step in multiple ways, just simply with the stock market. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything from security cameras to sound bars, stand mixers, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already have. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, first I'm going to show you why I believe the stock market always goes up. I'm going to tell you a little bit of a story that just happened to me recently with stocks and stock market. We're going to take a look at all of the different opportunities. I'm going to show you how to find and get traffic and how you can make money with it in multiple ways. So the first thing, a quick story. Just last week, I got a call from my mom saying that this lady is telling me that I should move my money from where it is now to somewhere else because there's going to be a huge crash. And so me being the great son that I am, I took the call with this lady. And so the first question that I asked her, I said, so the stock market on average goes up between 5 and 9% on average. There, obviously there are going to be some dips and some falls, but what did you do in the last year? What did you do last year? She said, well, we only did 7%. So in my opinion, if your investing guy isn't bringing you at least 9%, hopefully more, then you don't really need that person. So that was my first question. And then she said, well, people are projecting and we're seeing that this is closer to 2018. And so what I did is I brought up the S&P 500 from since its inception, as you can see on the screen here. And when she mentioned 2018, the peak was what, 1445, we'll say, on August 2007. It dropped all the way down to 856 in 2009. So over a span of, we'll say, about 2 years. But then it regained everything that it lost and more by the middle to late 2012, 2013. So if your investing strategy, at least our investing strategy, is to invest over a long period of time, 4 years, 5 years isn't that long to wait to recover some of your money, and if not more, especially if you're spending it to make a switch. So when I explained that to her, the conversation kind of went in a different direction than she was anticipating. She was anticipating that she'd be able to do her little spiel and she would be able to land a new client. Ultimately, we haven't heard from her since, but as you can see, you know a little bit. You probably know more than the average person. But we're going to talk about how you can make money with stocks. There's a variety of ways, a variety of opportunities, how you can get traffic, how you can find people that are interested in stocks at this moment because there's a lot of fear in the market, and how you can actually help them overcome that fear and make a decent amount of money doing it. So let's go ahead and talk about traffic, how to get in front of people that are interested in the stock market. We're back on my screen here, and what I want to show you is a few different things. First, people are looking up individual stock symbols. So if we go over to Ahrefs, I actually did this video once before and there was no audio, we can type in something like NXPI. NXPI are semiconductors, and if we click on matching terms, we can see here that semiconductors, NXPI, is searched 31,000 times per month. There are over 1,000 keywords. You can see lots of people talking about it. What we can do is then jump over to YouTube and type in NXPI and hit enter. And you're going to notice a few things. Just typing in NXPI, you can see that 8,000 views from 2 months ago, 1,000 views from a year ago. There's a video right here. It's only 2 minutes long and it had like 340 views. You can see people are looking up information about individual stocks. You can see people here are selling fear. Fear has generated 44,000 views. Whether it's realized or not, if you sell a little bit of fear, and when you talk about people's money, you unfortunately can make a lot of money. But what we can do is hit NXPI, hit the space bar, and you can see that people are asking all sorts of questions about individual stocks. Once again, if we look on the right-hand side, competition is really low. there are a moderate number of people that are looking up this information. This 170 views, 620 views, 407, 1,000 views, and then you can turn these views into money relatively quickly, okay? And so that's one way. Just look up individual stock symbols. You could do this for every stock symbol in the S&P 500 and create a YouTube video, or you could create a blog. A blog is going to be a little bit more competitive. Another opportunity is to jump over to TikTok. So if we come over to TikTok here, TikTok like that, and you can see people are asking and talking about stocks. One guy over here on TikTok has a viral video in which he shows people how to invest just like Congress members, and he walks them through the process. And so if you show people how to make money, how to save money, you can make a lot of money on TikTok with stocks. So you can see here, average everyday people, million views, 2.7 million views, 2.3 million views just talking about stocks, because it does appeal to a wide array of people. Okay, so you can use TikTok. I think you could use Facebook Reels, and that would work out really well because we know that Facebook has an older demographic. And if you show them tips, tricks, and secrets to investing in the stock market, I think you could go viral over there as well. Also, Instagram, really anywhere, Pinterest will work out as well. So that's one way. That's how you're going to get traffic. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to let's talk about other ways to get traffic. One thing that you can do, and there's two ways to do it, is you can take advantage of Google Trends. And there's two ways to use Google Trends. For example, I'm looking at trending searches. These are searches that are popular at this exact moment. One of the more popular searches was on the Chevy Traverse. Okay, so if we scroll down, I lost it, but right here, Chevy Traverse, over the last 24 hours, the reviews and interest have spiked, and you can use that information to communicate to potential investors the impact it's going to have on the stock market. So you could say something like, will the 2023 Chevy Traverse raise Chevy stock price, or new price projection based on the interest of the 2023 Chevy Traverse? You create that type of content, you can make money. And just to show you, we come over here and we can type in Chevy stock price. I don't know the stock symbol. Stock price like this. Or GM, I think it is. That makes sense. So GM stock price analysis from 1 month ago, 169 views from a regular guy, only 7-minute video, 563, 558. There are lots of views, and these views are all relatively new. Again, not terribly competitive when you think about the money that's behind this. And when I mean money, is the number of advertisers that are going to be interested. This is what's called a high CPM niche. And what that means is, there are people that are going to be ready, willing, and able to spend a lot of money to get in front of these customers. And the best way to get in front of the customers is to run paid ads for these videos. Okay, and this is just one way to use Google Trends. The second way to use Google Trends is to use the Explore page. And what we did here is I clicked on the hamburger menu, clicked on Explore, and then within Explore, I'm going to change this from the past 12 months to the past 90 days. And then I'm going to change all categories, and I'm going to go to finance, and then I'm going to look at investing. Okay, and when we do that, that's how you get the LIC, like that, LIC price share. And now this is going to be a little bit wonky because it's not. So if we do LIC listing price prediction, 19,000 views from 1 month ago, 1.4 thousand views from 1 month ago, 14,000 views. Now this appears to be in Hindi, or in a language that I certainly don't understand, but you could do this with any of these products. Look at Twitter stock. People are talking about that because of Elon Musk, obviously, but you can go through and find it. And you could even change this to just the United States and get even more, United States like that, and get even better results. So we change it to United States, WBD stock, come back over to YouTube like this, and we type in WBD stock analysis, click on that, and we'll take a look and see 3.6 thousand views from 2 months ago. Very low competition, lots of volume. Now you're going to want to do some research, make sure you know what you're talking about. 358 views from 2 days ago, 1.6 thousand views from 1 month ago, but you can see that there is lots of opportunity just talking about stocks and stock symbols. So now that we see that we can get traffic, we can get tons of traffic, let's talk about all the ways that you can make money. One of the best ways, in my opinion, is with the Motley Fool affiliate program. Now with this affiliate program, you can make $100 per lead. They don't even have to buy anything and you can make $100. Now the Motley Fool is a website that gives out investing and stock advice. It sends out newsletters. I'm still on their email list, and so I get their information every single day. But you can see that the Motley Fool is really well known in the industry. And if we hop on over to Motley Fool, I think it's just fool.com like this, and you're going to see that, yep, Motley Fool, that they give out analysis, investing, stock tips, stock tricks, and you could make money just by having people enter in their contact information. You don't even have to get them to buy. So $100 per lead, really cool opportunity. If you don't want to use Motley Fool, for example, you could also use Impact or Impact Radius, which is an affiliate network. I typed in stocks and you can see there's all sorts of stuff that popped in. We can type in investing like that. And you can see that once again, there's going to be all sorts of stuff that pops up, and that's going to be your opportunity. You can make money with just app downloads and signups and purchases. The cool thing with investing is there's so many different sub niches that you could get into that you could potentially make money. $10 for a paid sign up. Again, $100 for the Motley Fool over here again. But if you scroll through, you can see there's lots of opportunity. Another great way that you can make money if you have an understanding of stocks is actually with selling a course as well. Now this number is going to shock you, and I had the number up on the screen for a second, but this number is going to shock you. So we're going to go back over to Udemy like this, and with Udemy we're going to type in stocks, I believe. We'll type in stock like this, and we're going to take a look at this first result. This person has over 177,000 students. Now, if we just did some quick math here, we do 177,000 and we multiply that by $9.99. You're going to see that this one course alone has generated over $1.7 million. Now, this person had to split the revenue with Udemy, and they probably took home like $900,000 just from this course. Not a bad day's work. This course was just updated back in April. Let's see, I can't see how long it is, but let's assume it's a 9-hour course. And they didn't put up all 9 hours right away. They probably did this over a long period of time. And you could do something like this. Or if you wanted to, you can try and sell the course yourself. One thing that you could do is you could create a YouTube channel or TikTok, and then you could sell the course from your YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, whatever it is. That way you sell the course yourself, you make more money. You've already built a relationship using video content, and these people are going to be more likely to trust you. So what I would do if I knew anything about stocks, I would start creating videos on both YouTube, whether it's YouTube Shorts, and I would also create content over on TikTok and Facebook Reels and Pinterest, everywhere. And then I would funnel people back to my course, whether giving them a free download, like 5 things to look for in a high quality stock. Get their name and their email address, and then I can start sending them information about my course or about additional training, or get them to sign up for Motley Fool. And then you can either make $100 based on a lead, or you can make even more money, substantial money, if you sold the course yourself. You could sell the course for $197, $297, whatever it is. And if people make that money back, they're going to see value in that course. You could even do reoccurring membership, and you offer new information every single day. Another example of someone that's doing this is, his name is Meet Kevin. His YouTube channel blew up over the last few years, but he's doing this exact thing. Within his course, or within his YouTube channel, he has a list of a number of courses that he's selling, and one of them is investing. It won't let me click on it for whatever reason, but you'll be able to see that this is an opportunity that can help you make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So we'll just pause this like that. We'll click more. And let's see if we scroll down. Courses and live streams, Tasty Works, life insurance, download Meet Kevin app for a free Android app. So you can see that there are many ways to make money. You can make $100 per day just by partnering with Motley Fool. You have to apply, obviously, or you can make thousands of dollars per day if you decide to host and sell a course yourself. You can use Teachable, you can use Kajabi, ClickFunnels, Builderall, Kartra, tons of them out there. Now that you know how to make money with stocks in 2022, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step guide to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.